write down what they were asking. Find accumulated value. Accumulated value after 1 year, or accumulated value is so and so. Accumulated value is rupees 42,475. Yes, this is previous screen. Nidhi. Once done, let me know, Nidhi. Nidhi, once finished, let me know. Okay, Nidhi, thank you. चले आगे. Done. Yes, let's go on to the next sum. Before I go on to the next sum, I would like to ask one thing. If we start lecture 15 minutes earlier instead of 5:45, how many of you will have problem? Any problem then? Instead of starting lecture at 6, if I start lecture at... Anybody having problem? If you don't have problem, don't say anything. If you don't say anything, I'll assume no problem. Anybody having any problem? Can we make that lecture? Because it will be difficult to finish off your portion otherwise. Just if you are not having any problem, we may start at 15 minutes earlier. Not from tomorrow, not from next lecture. It will take time. Okay? So any problem, anytime, you can send me on my personal WhatsApp also. If problem. Hello, everyone is listening, right? Chalo. Next sum. Any problem if you have, you don't want to say here, send it on my personal WhatsApp, will do. I give my number. If you want, I'll share it once again. My number is 98201 44617. WhatsApp only. Because why WhatsApp only? Because I am taking some lectures. I may be in a lecture. So WhatsApp, if you want to talk to me, then also WhatsApp. Whenever I'll free, even I'll WhatsApp you. That is, I'm free now. Are you free? And then I'll call you. Okay? Chili. Next sum. That we'll see. We'll see. We may make every lecture. We'll see if possible, every lecture we'll do. Okay? Or at least maths lecture. We'll see how it works out. Okay? Generally OC lecture will be 1 hour only. Theory lecture, OC economics will be 1 hour. Maths lecture, BK lecture, we may make it as 1 hour 20 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes, something like that. Especially practical subjects. Yes. Previous screen? Which previous screen बेटा? ये था ना? दिवेश? Okay, okay. Okay, Divesh. You can have always recorded lecture also. There is another option called as recorded lecture. You can go into recorded lecture and see that. चले next sum पे. Divesh, once done, let me know. Done, done. Divesh, done. Okay, चलिए. Question number 5. Find present value. देखो क्या बोला अभी? Find what? Present value. Look at given. Given में देखो, given में power क्या है? Power. तो एग्जाम में कभी डाउट आ गया, एग्जाम में डाउट आ गया कि प्रेजेंट वैल्यू पूछ रहे हैं लोग कि ये लोग ये पूछ रहे हैं, एक्यूमुलेट वैल्यू पूछ रहे हैं, तो गिवन ऑलवेज रहेगा एवरी सम गिवन को चेक करने का. गिवन नेगेटिव मींस इट इज इधर पी और पी डैश, नेगेटिव में पी और पी डैश एंड पॉजिटिव में ए और ए डैश. फाइंड द प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ऑफ एन एन्युइटी इमीडिएट. कौन सा एन्युइटी है? एन्युइटी कौन सा है? इमीडिएट है. तो क्या ढूंढना है? पी या पी डैश? पी और पी डैश. पी और पी डैश. पी ढूंढना है, डैश नहीं. डी फॉर डैश, डी फॉर ड्यू ऑफ ₹36,000 per annum. 36,000 per annum. So here it's not quarterly, it is not semi-annually. 36,000 is C. 36,000 is क्या है? C. That is your contribution. Or it is per annum. Per annum for 3 years. दोस्तों per annum है तो क्या R will be divided by some value? R को डिवाइड करने की जरूरत है? Is R to be divided? No, because it is per annum for 3 years and 9% per annum compounded annually. Given 1.09 raised to minus 3 is equal to 0.7722. So let's start answer. And given. What is given? 36,000 is what? What is 36,000? Fatafat. Reply. 36,000 is what? I said also, right? C. Contribution. 36,000. Comma. What is R? Rate of interest is 9%. Therefore, I is equal to how much? I will be in point. R is 9%. I will be in point 0.09. Therefore, I is equal to 0.09. And और क्या बचा? N कितना है? N is equal to 3. N is equal to 3. Okay. Chalo. Now formula. We know that P is equal to present value is equal to C upon I square bracket. but इसमें round bracket पहला नहीं आएगा. 1 minus round bracket 1 plus I bracket raised to minus N square bracket complete. समझा क्या फॉर्मूला? याद है क्या फॉर्मूला आप लोगों को? ये फॉर्मूला है फॉर्मूलाज बाय हार्ट करना है, कीप राइटिंग फॉर्मूला. ओके, अगर आपको नहीं, यू कांट रिमेंबर, तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज विदाउट लुकिंग राइट डाउन द फॉर्मूला 4-5 टाइम्स, हो जाएगा. चलो सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू. सी कितना है? 36,000. आई कितना है? 0.09. स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट ओपन.
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट. प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी, एमबीए एंट्रेंस, SYJC कॉम, TYB कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ. चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट. कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें. और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान. इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक. तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी.
1 minus 1 plus I. I कितना है? 0.09. 0.09 raised to -3 minus n minus 3. Square bracket complete. So that is equal to 36,000 divided by 0.09 square bracket 1 minus innermost bracket will be solved first. 1 plus 0.09 is 1.09 raised to minus 3. So that is equal to 36,000 divided by 0.09 1 minus how much? 1.09 raised to minus 3 is how much? 0.7722. That is equal to 36,000 divided by 0.09 as it is into, let us do this subtraction, rough work करना पड़ेगा. 1.1234 zeros minus 0.7722. Rough work I am doing. 10 minus 2, 8. 10 minus 3, 7. 10 minus 8, 2. 10 minus 8, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So that comes to multiplied by 0.2278. समझा क्या? माइनस किया 1 माइनस. हेलो हेलो. This rough work clear? Rough work clear? Rough work. Now remove the decimal point. There are 2 digits after the decimal point. So add 2 zeros to 36,000. 36,000. I want to remove the decimal point. There are 2 digits after the decimal point. So 2 zeros upon 9 multiplied by 0.2278. 9 ones are 9. 9 fours are 36. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So that is equal to how much? 40 multiplied by 4. Decimal point I am shifting 4 places ahead. So 4 0 गया. 4 पे कितना zeros है right now? 4 पे how many zeros are there? 5 zeros are there, and I want to shift decimal point 4 places, so 40 रहेगा, multiplied by 2278. Agreed? Everyone agree with my calculation? 40 multiplied by 2278 समझ में आता है क्या? करते हैं calculation. Yes, 40 multiplied by 2278. 2278 multiplied by 4 कर दो, बाद में एक जीरो लगा दूंगा मैं. 4 8s are 32. 4 7s are 28 and 3 31. Carry again 3. 4 2s are 8 and 3 11. Carry 1. 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. And then एक जीरो उधर से आएगा. 91,120. Yes. So that is equal to 91,120. What is that? Present value. Final answer. Present value is rupees. Anybody wants previous screen? Then this is a previous screen. Dear student, don't you think this is easy sums? Once you know the formula, they are easy. Formula आना चाहिए आपको. Yes, one should know the formula. That's all. Yeah. Next screen is this. कुछ नहीं है next screen में. 91,120. Present value is 91,120. Shall I? Next sum. Question 6. Find present value of ordinary annuity. Now, what do you mean by ordinary annuity? Is it immediate or is it due? Say I for immediate, D for due. Ordinary annuity का मतलब immediate or due? Yes, correct. Immediate. Ordinary is immediate. Ordinary is immediate. और क्या ढूंढना है? Present value of rupees 63,000 per annum for 4 years. How 63,000? 63,000 per annum. So R will not be divided and will not be multiplied. If instead of 63,000 के बाद per annum, instead of per annum, if this is per quarter, then R will be divided by 4 and will be multiplied by 4. But here per annum, so no division. 14% per annum compounded annually. Given 1.14 raised to, देखो power क्या है? What is power? Negative. Power negative means present value. वैसे भी पहले बोला था प्रेजेंट वैल्यू, बट अगर डाउट आ गया तो पावर देख लो. आंसर चलो. गिवन व्हाट? गिवन सी कितना है? गिवन सी इज इक्वल टू, आई एम वेटिंग. सी इज योर कंट्रीब्यूशन. कितना है? $63,000, कॉमा. आर रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट गिवन कितना है? 14% per annum. Therefore, we don't want R. What we want? I. Therefore, I is equal to how much? I is equal to how much? 0.14. And N is equal to how much? N is number of years, 4. करो, फॉर्मूला लिखो और करो. We know that P is equal to C upon I. स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट ओपन, राउंड ब्रैकेट नहीं आएगा P में, पहला राउंड ब्रैकेट बाद में आएगा. 1 माइनस राउंड ब्रैकेट 1 plus I bracket raised to minus n because it is present value. That is equal to, substitute the value, C is 63,000. I is 0.14. In square bracket 1 minus round bracket 1 plus I is how much? 0.14 bracket raised to minus n, that is minus 4. That is equal to 63,000 divided by 0.14 in bracket 1 minus 1.14 bracket raised to minus 4. 1.14 bracket raised to minus 4 is given to you. So that is equal to 63,000